Hi everybody, this website is made by my own and subject matter are designed and look about my interests. This website layout contains 4 different pages which has common HTML content. The website layout has navigation menu. Each HTML page include reference to an external style sheet file inside the link element inside the head section. It's main.css and style.css, which include CSS role set. I use here media query. The aspect ratio is used to test the aspect ratio of the viewport. The resize scaling effect works if we have the video set as a background. In style.scss I use variable colors, then example of nesting, and then example of ingrid. In ingrid I use two templates, percentage message all and percentage message share. This template connects by using SAS extend role followed by percentage message all, for example, to include this template. Homepage index.html was created with Bootstrap 4-card flexible container. It has 3 columns set with equal widths and heights cards that aren't attached to one another. It's achieved by using class cardDeck that to get a different color of each cardDeck I use classes bg primary, bg danger, and bg warning. Images page has a grid template elements. A grid layout consists of a parent element with 11 children element. An HTML elements becomes a grid container when its display property is set to grid. All direct children of the grid container automatically becomes grid items. The grid template columns property are the primary CSS property for establishing a grid layout once the element is a grid content. We use repeat function, which represents a repeated fragment of the track list. The first value passed to repeat function is the number of repetitions, and the second value is the grid tracks to repeat. Object fit property with value cover is used to specify how an image should be resized to fit its container. Next page about.html use flexbox layout. It has a parent element flex container and direct children flex item. There are some CSS properties that I apply to a parent element flex container and other CSS properties that I apply to the direct children flexbox flex item. For that parent flex item, display flex is enable a flex content for all its direct children and defines a flex container. Flex rep has value rep, that means flex item will wrap onto multiple lines from top to bottom. Last page news.html was created by using HTML table JavaScript API, and it is useful for building tables on fly. I have here two function build a table and function add lines to HTML table with argument first name, second name, age, exam, group. For creating row we use insert row. For create cells we use another method, insert cells. Document query selector get the first element in the document with ID, table, contact, body. The inner HTML property says the HTML content, inner HTML of an element. For example, var exam cell equal new row insert cell, exam cell dot inner HTML equal exam argument, and we change exam argument and insert it in table. Now let's look how it view in browser. Here I have button, click to create table. When I click, you can see the whole table which was created on fly. Next, home page. We have background, color, danger, BG color, resizable also. Next, images that has a grid template. And about us. About us, we use a flexbox layout. You can see how it works. Thank you very much.